When moving to a community, efficient healthcare is a huge factor that must be considered in your decision. Mulberry's community is going to be getting a new healthcare center in the near future here. And we have Richard Dames joining us in studio, the health center administrator for Central Florida Healthcare, and Felicia Valdez, the navigator for Central Florida Healthcare. Thank you guys for joining us today in the studio.
Thank you for having us.
All right. Well, you have opening day and a ribbon cutting coming up. Tell me a little bit about the event and what's going to be happening there.
Well, we're very excited to have a celebration on April 8th at 9 a.m. for our new health center in Mulberry. We'll be giving tours of the building and talking about the services that we will be providing for the people in Mulberry.
And this is a brand new facility, correct?
It is a brand new facility. It's a modular building, and it's 2 stories, and it's very eye-catching.
But you guys have been operating for a little bit prior to opening this facility, but you couldn't offer the services that you do now. Elaborate for me on what you guys do offer now and what's changing with the new opening.
Well, that's correct. We're working right now in a temporary building, and we offer pediatric services from infants all the way up to 18. We do see some adults right now. However, we won't be able to really fully give the services that we provide until we get in a new building. What will change is our new building will consist of preventive dental for pediatrics, well care visits for children, free vaccines for children. We'll also have a full laboratory, x-ray, and a community pharmacy. In the near future, we'll have OB and GYN services also at that center.
Oh, wow. And with the pharmacy and everything, do you have to be a patient of the center, or is it a public pharmacy, or what?
Well, it's a community pharmacy,
okay.
And we'll be able to accept any prescriptions from any persons that want to send it there. Yeah.
Now, one of the big things with prescriptions and doctor visits and all of that is financial aspects of it. It's always so expensive, and some people do not have the capability to afford it. I understand that you guys do a lot to supplement that and help that. As the navigator, I believe that, Felicia, you have a lot of but you help them in that. Elaborate to me on what you guys offer for the people in the community.
Yes, as I'm the navigator, which I'm also known as a CAC, Certified Application Counselor. I help either it be patients or anyone in the community. I help apply for SNAP benefits, Medicaid, Kids Care, CHIP, and also the Marketplace. That's one of my main goals, is to make sure everyone has insurance or works on getting insurance. I'm there for anyone that needs help faxing, copying. We do that for free. Translating services, we're there to help, because there's barriers when it comes to your language. I mean, we have the community is it's a lot of different cultures. We have people that's their main thing, that they don't understand our language, so we really need to work on that help. And you don't have to be a patient, it can be anyone in the community, but that's what I'm there for, to help. And then we also offer bus passes. If there's a transportation barrier, we have bus passes. So we do a lot to get everyone going on the right step to help.
And if say someone comes to you and says, I don't have insurance, or my insurance won't cover this, what can you guys do to help them as far as affording the care?
Well, what I do is I ask them, if they want to apply for any assistance, and if they say yes, I go ahead and help them get through the process. And if there's any reason why they still don't apply, then we also go with we have the sliding fee. We go off their income, and once we go off their income, that's what we go off of, what they can pay.
Mm-hmm. In addition to that, with the sliding fee discount, we also have an additional discount if you're a Polk County resident and you show proof of that. You may be able to pay as little as $5 for your visits at Central Florida Healthcare.
That's incredible. That's extremely low for healthcare.
Yes.
One of the other things that you guys are doing to kind of help the community is that you say you're a school-based system. Is that correct? Okay, tell me a little bit about what does a school-based system mean for a medical center? It's not something that you hear about too regularly.
Yeah. Well, being a community health center and FQHC, which is Federally Qualified Health Center, we're linked to 3 schools in our community. It's Mulberry Middle, Purcell Elementary, and Kingsford Elementary. And we're about a half a mile in between any of those schools. So if the kids are sick or not able to go to school, they have quick access to health care within their community.
Okay. And with families moving into this community all the time, what can you guys do to help families find the health care when they are new coming into the community like that? You say you can help the students find something nearby. What can you do for the families there?
Well, in addition to being able to provide health care for the kids, we also want healthy families as well. Absolutely. So we extend those services to all of the families, from infants all the way up to seniors, if you will. We're accessible and affordable.
Thank you guys for coming out to meet with us today. We appreciate you being here in studio.
Thank you for having us, Deanna.
Absolutely. Central Florida Healthcare is a patient-centered medical home with focus on the delivery of quality, accessible primary health care that is culturally sensitive, affordable, and responsive to the community's needs. They serve everybody in the community, from the insured, uninsured, underinsured, and migrants. Come on out to the ribbon cutting on the opening day on April 8th, 2015. The time of the event is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. The location is at 106 Northwest 9th Avenue in Mulberry, Florida, and it is free to all that attend. You can find out more information at their website, www.cfhconline.org, or follow them on Facebook or Twitter